In this video, we show the trend line and polynomial of CHISQ.DIST.RT, CHIDIST, and the GAMMADIST, or values of x from 0 to 3, and our v, the degree of freedom, will be data validation, list of items from 1 to 3. So we can start with 1 as the degree of freedom. Now we generate the dataset. So array formula, CHISQ.DIST.RT of the x values, comma, and the degree of freedom. And the CHIDIST array formula, CHIDIST of the x values, comma, and the degree of freedom, v. And the gamma function. So array formula, start with the GAMMADIST of the x values, comma, this will be our alpha, the shape, and the scale is 2, and 1 if this is the probability commutative distribution function for now. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we'll use scatter chart. And customize. We don't need the title, so because we need a space. And for the series, we show the trend line. Polynomial to the 6th degree. For the label, use the equation. For the legend, position at the bottom. And here's our trend line and our polynomial. We'll clean this so the vertical axis, the number format, not from the source but none. And here we have the trend line and polynomial of the 3 functions. Now we modify the GAMMADIST. The CHISQ.DIST.RT and the CHIDIST are the same trend line, and their polynomials are exactly the same. Well, the GAMMADIST we have to modify. So there is a degree of freedom is divided by 2. And there's 1 minus, so we factor in 1 minus. We factor in 1 minus. Enter. Now they're all in the same trend line. And if our degree of freedom is 2, and degree of freedom is 3, their polynomial regressions are the same, their datasets are the same. This completes the use of array formula to generate and the chart to generate the CHISQ.DIST.RT and CHIDIST and the GAMMADIST.